Listen up, guys. I've got some exciting news. I'm giving away a brand new DJI Flip with the RC2. What's going on? My name is Dan Davis and I'm the creative director here on DansTube.TV, which is Australia's #1 drone YouTube channel. And that's right, you heard me right. I'm giving away a brand new DJI Flip with the RC2. This is an international giveaway, and as I'm sure you're aware, this drone only just came out, so it's a perfect opportunity to get the latest and greatest from DJI. So that means that really anyone has the opportunity to win this. Make sure to read the rules and the entry conditions, because there will be certain terms and conditions that you need to make sure that you're aware of. This giveaway is not at all endorsed by YouTube. This is exclusively offered on DansTube, and this has been sponsored by the D1 store. That's right, the D1 store are sponsoring a giveaway for the DJI Flip with the RC2. So thank you so much to the D1 store, and thank you so much to all 100,000 of you who have subscribed to DansTube on YouTube. So if you've been on the channel before, you would know that I do host lots of giveaways, and it's really simple to enter. So in the video description, I'll have a lot of the details to do with the rules, to do with the entry conditions, to do with when the giveaway will be announced, and some other details down there. So make sure to check that out. And there will also be a link to the Kingsumo giveaway page. So that's where you actually get a chance to sign up for the giveaway to win the DJI Flip. All you have to do, the only requirement is signing up over on the Kingsumo page, and you're entered into the giveaway. That's it. It's that simple. But if you want some additional entries, there will be some additional entry options as well. So you'll see them right now on the screen. You can go in and click on them to add some additional entries to your chance so that you have a better chance of winning this giveaway. So it is a completely free giveaway to enter. It will be randomly chosen. So make sure to come back, because I will have a live stream to announce the winner. So I will then organize the delivery for that person, and that's it. The other thing to keep in mind is that I do have 2 runner-up prizes, so you get a chance to win a code for the Fearless Drone Academy. So that is the ultimate online drone course for beginners. It's the course that I have developed from the ground up to help you overcome your flying fears. So again, thank you everyone for all of your support. Thank you to the D1 store for sponsoring this giveaway on the channel. Best of luck to everyone. I can't wait for the Flip to go to a happy home, and I appreciate all the support as always. There will be more giveaways in the future, more exciting content on the channel. So make sure to stay tuned, and I will chat to you very soon. Peace.